Today, I'll demonstrate how we generate and adjust charts for making reports. Here, we add a new project, then select CSV and click on the file we want to upload. After uploading, these tables will appear on the modeling page. To improve the AI's response and generate more accurate SQL, we ask AI assistants to help us. This is from Kenko. So I just copy the description from the website and use it as a prompt here for the AI to automatically help. After checking that everything is correct, just submit and create it. Relationship. Once everything is ready, we can go to the home page to do data analysis. Here, I want to understand the relationship between diabetes and age, so I enter, what is the diabetes prevalence by age bracket in our database? After understanding my question, it starts to organize its thoughts to generate an answer. Once the answer is produced, if I want to see a chart, I just click on Chart here. The AI will use its experience to generate the most suitable chart for this topic. Here, I'll demonstrate how to use Adjust to communicate with the AI. I'll fast forward all the waiting times to save time. Now, the chart is arranged from least to most, but I want it sorted from most to least, so I enter. Next, I want to adjust the colors to be lighter and softer, so I enter. Give me lighter colors. Rignite will generate the style I want based on my instructions. Then, I realized that age has a significant impact on diabetes, because the older you are, the more likely you are to have diabetes. But I want to dig deeper to see if there are other factors at different ages that affect the risk of diabetes. So I enter, which factors like BMI? It quickly analyzed all the data for me and also gave me a very clear and concise summary, letting me know which factors have an impact and which do not. But this time, the chart generated by the AI wasn't what I wanted, so I need to keep going. I want a heat map to clearly see the relationship between each factor and age with respect to diabetes, so I'll give instructions to Renee to generate the chart I want. Once everything was set up, I created a new one. Then I pinned the chart to the dashboard. Here I noticed that both charts mainly used blue, so I changed the color of the bar chart to red, and then this way, the dashboard looks better and it's easier to distinguish between different topics. Next, I wanted to know the difference in stroke rates between smokers and non-smokers under different ages and whether they have hypertension, so I entered compare stroke rate between smokers and non. The chart that came out was a bar chart, but I wanted to use line charts instead, with two side-by-side charts to clearly compare smokers and non-smokers. Each chart should have two lines to show the effect of hypertension. The x-axis would be age and the y-axis would be stroke rate. Based on what I wanted, I gave the AI step-by-step instructions.
Finally, I wanted to know the probability of stroke in specific people who quit smoking after 5 years, so I entered my question.
However, due to data limitations, the AI-generated chart looks like this. Still, we can clearly see that the stroke rate among people who quit smoking is much lower than among smokers. This result is already very useful for doctors to give advice to patients, reminding them to change certain habits in their lives to reduce the risk of stroke. Now this includes 4 charts inside. I can freely adjust their size and position. Next, I just need to keep asking questions and adjusting the charts to create a report.